Alright guys, last video for the night.
Sir.
We got the perfect glizzy for camping, but we got fire warning. Tents are set up for sleeping. Yeah, we're having a good time. Drinking a little beer. Nothing too crazy, we're here for the night, but yeah. This is your sign to go out and go motorcycle camping, because this is the shit. Yeah, Ben, you agree?
Yes,
Fuck
sir.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Cooking hot dogs on the fire.
Yeah.
Homemade stick.
Yes, sir.
We having a good time. You guys also have a good night. Peace.